Well, Dad and I are going to start a refurbishing project. This smoker's been seen its better days, and I think it's going to see some more. But how long have you had it?
I don't know, probably 7 years, 7, 8.
The Prairie Valley boys, they built it, didn't they, at school?
They won. Jonathan Harrelson, Jordan Harrelson built it. It won reserve champion. He built it and showed it at the county show. It won reserve champion of the shop projects. He got the ribbon and got all the money for that. And then I paid for all the material, and I donated to the FFA chapter, and I donated money to him. But he is an excellent welder. You look at the welds on here, and that's what the judge was talking about at the county show, was how well he did on the welding of it.
So our plans are to clean it up. I don't think we got to change much. We've got some new cutting boards for it, and clean it up and just see where we need to begin to look things over. It's a great little cooker. So we're gonna be a little project, and what we're hoping is my daughter, Dad's granddaughter, we're hoping that she's gonna be able to use it in maybe some barbecue competitions. She's a freshman this year, and we're thinking that she may be able to start next year. So, but that'll be pretty neat to do. But anyway, we're gonna get started. We're gonna get it pulled out, cleaned up, and see what all we got to work with what we have right here. Done here. Fixing to clean the firebox out here. I'm not sure what I was hoping that was all attached. Just pull it all out, but I'm going to dig it all out. But took these burners off here. I'm really not sure if I'm gonna put burners back on right here. I'm not sure. Just to look and see. Yeah, I can reconfigure some of this stuff like these little electrical boxes, which is great. That's a great idea. And I'll probably keep that and may make space for like a little Honda generator to sit up here, run electricity. And I'd like to build something on it, maybe attach right there on the opposite side. I'm not sure yet. My wheels are rolling. I'm trying to look at this like a blank canvas, and I'm just got some ideas like this little firebox here, which is great for if you want to do some hamburgers or fajitas, some stuff like that on here. Also, there's a good flat spot back here above the firebox that was a griddle type situation, which you can still do hamburgers and things like that. You know, if we use that, we took this off, then there could be maybe room for a storage box and maybe a room to put wood on here. I'm not sure yet about that. I'm still looking. And back to what I was saying a minute ago, you know, I could take and bring some posts up or figure out a way to put an umbrella on here, something like that. So it's getting bigger. I'm thinking now, I wonder if about actually cutting the tongue off, coming straight out another 4 foot, and then boxing, then bring the tongue in, which makes this, will make it about another, if I did that, you know, we're adding probably another 4 foot to it, and that would give us some more room. I don't know. My wheels are, I'm just, it's like I'm turning pages to a magazine in my head, seeing what I've got going on here of the ideas. We just got to see. The other thing is, you may have to extend this up here. I'm also wondering, thinking, wow, thinking of cutting that off. You know, cutting that off, getting in here, putting a piece of plate, cap the firebox off some, put a piece of plate across, open at the end, move the smokestack to back here, and now we've got a reverse flow smoker. But now that I'm thinking about it, I'm wondering if it's too short, you know, too short of a, if it was a longer smoker, I think definitely if it was like an 8-foot smoker, I would say yes. But now I don't, maybe too short for that. I don't know, guys. We'll just, lots of opportunity here with what I got, just to try to make things happen. We'll see. For the most part, it's not of course you'll see it's not nowhere near 100%, but we're cleaned up, got a lot of this stuff will burn off. I'm not sure if I'm gonna repaint or not. I do want to, I don't know. I don't know. I mean, my goal my goal wasn't to look brand new. That's not my goal. My goal is make it functional again and get everything reconditioned and re-going. We got all firebox saws cleaned out. The racks over there, I'm gonna wire brush on them just a little bit and get them stuck in here. But I got my cutting boards out. I don't know what happened, but I didn't quite measure right, so I am gonna have to, I'll cut these brackets off, move them in and weld them back up. I gotta get the welder out anyway. So that's to fit my cutting boards. The cutting boards, that's just gonna look awesome. This fender here needs some welding on it. It's broken loose, so that's got to be re-welded up. So let's grab the cutting board for that one. Let's set it up there and see what it looks like. Man, I think that's perfect. Perfect. It's beautiful. Now I gotta get cutting boards. Now I'm gonna have to get cutting boards made for my cutting boards. That's something else. But yeah, that looks good. I'm really happy with that look. But with that being said, got some decision making to do over here. Not real sure what that's going to be yet. So I do see some cutting and grinding. I see some grinding and some welding in my future, near future. Not today. Today is just cleanup day. See what we got. I kind of want a lot of fire in it myself, really, but I don't know if I will or not. But I think it looks good. I think it's gonna be just perfect, really. I'm really happy with that. It looks good. But for now, we're gonna stop right there. So anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you like, subscribe, and share. It's a good one, a good first day on this cooker. We'll definitely keep you posted on what we do next. So anyway, thanks for watching. We'll talk about it.